Hi, so I thought I'd just let you know what your Google Classroom will look like for each kit. So when you log on to Google Classroom, there is a video on my website to show you how to do that. You will have a main page either on the app or in this case on the desktop, which will list your Google Classrooms. And this is the one for the winter kit. So if you look on the winter kit, there are 4 headings. Ignore the grade one, we're not grading your work. The first one is the stream, which is this, which shows you how everything will work and any messages from me, or you can talk to each other on that. The second one that says classwork, these are all materials that I've made for you. So the first tutorial is there, and if you go view material, it will show you everything you need to do. So the Bible reading, all the copyright information, the materials used for the tutorial, the finished page and the video, and all you do is click on each one and it will let you into whatever it is. So for instance, go to this one, this is your video tutorial, and you just click play and it will play the video. So I hope you enjoy using the videos that I have created for you. It's not about actually recreating the pages, it's about you learning techniques that you can go on to apply to your own. It's a little bit like learning to drive and then letting you go after you've passed your test. Like the driving instructor, you find your own technique, etc. But someone has to give you the basics to start with. So there you are. If I go back to the Google Classroom, all the other materials are there. There'll be one per week on a Monday. So the second one is there as well. This week I'm going to be posting up the third one, etc. So that is all about Google Classrooms.